So there are n mountains in a row, and each mountain has a height. We are given the integer array height, where the index of height represents the height of a mountain, and an integer threshold. The mountain is called stable if the mountain just before it has a height strictly greater than the threshold. Note that the mountain 0 is not stable. Return any array containing the indices of all stable mountains in any order. So the way this question was phrased was not the best, in my opinion, because it makes you think that you're just supposed to return the tallest mountain, right? But yeah, it just doesn't really make sense. Instead of returning the value of the mountain, if it's above the threshold, you're supposed to return the index, which I missed when I was going over it for the first time. So in this example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4, and 5 are all greater than the threshold 2, but as you can see for 3, 2, the mountain before it, is not stable. It does not exceed the threshold, which means that we cannot consider it stable. So we return the indexes of 4 and 5, which are 3 and 4, a zero-indexed array. So this is pretty simple. All we have to do is create a output array, or it's better if we name it stable. Create array stable, and we iterate over the index of the range of the length of height minus 1, because we're going to be gathering indexes of preceding characters. So now we can check to see if the index that we're currently on is greater than the threshold value. And then if it is, then we can append to stable. We can append to stable the value of I plus 1. And then we just return stable. Okay, cool. So this worked because we first created a empty array stable, which is going to hold the indexes of the values that are greater than the threshold. And then we iterated over height. And then for the current character that we're iterating over, if this character is greater than the threshold, then we know that the next character is going to be stable. So we check to see if the current character we're on is greater than the threshold. If it was, then we appended the following character to stable per the instructions.